up my mind, it must come to an end. Look at me now, really up alert, I don't know how, but it's suddenly lose control. There's a fire within my soul. Just one look and they can hear it of me. One more look and they get down. Oh, Mamma Mia, here I go again. Mama, how can I resist you? Mamma Mia, there's a show again. Mama, just to please me. Yeah, so broken hearted. You since the day we parted. Why did I ever let you go? Mamma Mia, here I go again. Mama, how can I resist you? Mamma Mia, there's a show again. Mama, just how much I miss you. Yes, I've been broken hearted. You since the day we parted. Why did I ever let you go? Mamma Mia, now I really know. Mama, I could never let you go.
Before we proceed to our next song, so I would like to thank you for joining us today. For Dr. Karen, for all the admin and faculty and staff, and students as well. Guys, if you know the song, you can sing with us. It's our day today. It's gonna be a long day ahead. So let's enjoy the rest of our day. This song is titled Dancing Queen. So if you know the song, you can jam and sing with us. Let's proceed.
You can dance, you can jive, having the time of your life. Ooh, see that girl, watch that scene, being the dancing queen. Friday night and the lights are low, looking out for a place to go. Where to play the right music, getting in the scene, you come to the party. Anybody can be nice guys, not as young as the music high. We to be the right music, everything is fine, we're in a mood for that. And when you get the chance, you are the dancing queen. You're that sweet, only 17. Dancing queen, feel the beat from the tambourine. Oh yeah, you can dance, you can jive, having the time of your life. Ooh, see that girl, watch that scene, digging the dancing queen.
Okay, our next song is To Those Who Are in Love. Sometimes love is just so mysterious, and love doesn't need to say everything. There is a lyrics that says, but you did at best when you say nothing at all. So to those who are working out there, this is the opportunity to say something to your love. But sometimes, just the smile on your face and the look of your eyes is enough. So this music, this song is dedicated to everyone. And I hope you will join with us in singing this music. This is entitled When You Say Nothing at All.
It's amazing how you can speak right to my heart. Without saying a word, you light up the dark. Try as I may, I could never explain what I hear when you don't say a thing.
Guys, can we dim off the lights and turn on your flashlight? Can you guys join with us singing?
Yes. I think we have drones, right?
Yes.
So can you turn on your lights?
Yes, do we have our
You can jump with
smartphones?
us.
Yes, we have our smartphones. Can you turn on your flashlight, please? Yes.
On
yes.
my beat, let us all together sing the chorus.
Yes.